Welcome to another exciting video of Wagon World. In this part, we're focusing all our attention on safety features on offer in Mercedes-Benz variants. Much like other German automakers, Mercedes-Benz is a frontrunner when it comes to safety and safety features on offer. Mercedes-Benz regained its crown in the best performing small family car. They believe Mercedes-Benz CLA sedan is the most safest car of 2019. CLA sedan achieved score more than 90% in the 3 or 4 more areas: crash test, side mobile barrier test, side pole and head impact, and delivered the best overall rating of the year. Safety features on offer. Mercedes always come up with something outstanding. One of the features like active brake assist can prevent collision with any person crossing the road with traction control. It prevents many other accidental possibilities like any other vehicle crossing its lane. The alarm system will notify if any car or person come in a path when vehicle is running. Number 2. Active speed limit assist. This feature will adjust the speed limit. This feature adapts the speed according to vehicle ahead and road condition. Vehicle will carry constant speed until you apply indicators. Vehicle will adopt the speed according to turns and road conditions. Ahead of roundabout, active distance slow down the vehicle and adopts the sufficient speed to cross the diameter. After passing the roundabout, it sets the pre-speed. Speed limit is recognized by camera or radar system. Radar system is displayed on instrumental cluster. Active lane change assist. This feature allows the system to activate and checking condition for lane changing. Lane change is allowed by the system if any vehicle is detected at right or left, where the lane marking are applied. Number 4. Active keeping lane assist. This feature vibrates the steering wheel when driver leaves the lane unintentionally and notifies on the screen. Between 60 to 200 km, steering wheel vibrates to indicate the driver. Number 5. Driving assistant package. System monitors the traffic, the road lane, is there any close traffic nearby. It prevents the accidental collision. One-sided braking intervention takes place when lane is broken. The radar also sends the rear traffic when car is on park by blind spot assist. Gives the alert by sensing the rear traffic. It also allows the vehicle for autonomous braking if any kind of instant traffic exists. Number 9. Remote parking assist. This feature allows the vehicle to move in tight parking spaces by smartphones. So driver can get vehicle out of tight parking, moving vehicle forward and backward straight up to 15 meters without entering the vehicle, or move vehicle in and out of garage. System inside detect the obstacles and pedestrian coming in a way. Number 10. Child safety. Driver can have a live video of baby sitting behind. It can also be shown on your smartphone by Mercedes Me when ignition is on, and child lock like more features. Future safety measures. Let's see what will be the future safety measures in upcoming Mercedes variants. Mercedes will bring autonomous mode in every vehicle that will allow vehicle to drive on its own by setting autonomous mode. Steering wheel and paddles will squeeze inside, suggesting driver vehicle has its all command. It will show turquoise color to indicate traffic, car is on autonomous mode. More drive safety in accidental condition. Airbag is triggered from both sides around the dashboard covering steering wheel. Steering wheel will contract inside, giving driver more space. ESF, the experimental safety vehicle, will provide new functions and safety at a new level of rear passenger. At the rear, C-socket will attach to seat belts. Charging will be available if person is belted. Airbag will be integrated in the back of front seat to avoid any injury during emergency. Traffic hazard. To avoid traffic hazards, warning triangle is folded out of roof of the vehicle. The rear window is used as communication surface. Robot will release as a warning for other traffic much far from the vehicle. After that, robot will get back to the vehicle automatically. In the event of wrong way, animation on rear window suggests the rear traffic about wrong way vehicle ahead. It also warns road condition ahead. These are some mind-blowing features will exist soon. Innovation by Mercedes-Benz. As we all know, one of the owner of Mercedes-Benz Group, Carl Benz, created first ever car in the history, patent motor wagon. After that, many mind-blowing innovation brought by Mercedes-Benz. Gasoline direct injection was a serious stuff for 300 SL Goldwing in 1954, ABS in 1978 and airbag in 1981. made this brand epic of all. In future, Mercedes will focus on autonomous driving for sure. Thank you for watching this video. Please go check our previous videos too. Do follow us on Instagram Wagon and World for more interesting updates.